Hi guys, how's it going? This is Husti Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, this is spring roll, but this is Indonesia style. And we call it lumpia. And yes, spring roll is originally from China. So lumpia goreng, we have two of them in Indonesia, two kinds of spring roll. Wet lumpia and fried lumpia. Wet lumpia is normally with bamboo shoot, while the fried lumpia can be with vermicelli, chicken, beef, or boiled egg with veggies. I know you will think lumpia is from the Philippines, but it's actually in Southeast Asia everywhere. But unlike the Philippines, Filipina and Filipino, everywhere around the world, they are really good in introducing lumpia everywhere, while Indonesia is more like it's our traditional snacking. We don't really introduce it around the world. So Western country knows lumpia as from the Philippines, but it's actually in any Southeast Asian countries where Chinese descendant reside or arrived. In old days, they brought lumpia. They taught us how to make lumpia. So in Indonesia, we call it lumpia as well. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. And whoops, I almost forgot to mention the following recipe is using air fryer. In Indonesia, our lumpia goreng, fried lumpia, fried spring roll, normally in deep fried oil, fried in deep oil. But this one I'm using air fryer. So again, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Take care. So this is half pound of lean ground chicken, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 stalk of green onion, and 2 tablespoons of chopped Chinese celery or Asian celery, 1 carrot that I grated, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now we're just gonna mix this until completely combined. Now crack an egg. You can omit this, it's up to you, it's just optional. And we're gonna mix this again. Now your filling is ready to be used. Lay one skin and place filling and roll it as you would do spring roll. And you want to prepare a small bowl of water, just so that you can wet the edges. That is to help the spring roll or the skin stick one to another. So you want to make it like an envelope, like so, side to side. And now you're just gonna roll it. There you go. And use this filling for frying or for steaming, it's up to you. Now we're gonna lay or place the rolls on the air fryer basket. Oopsie daisy, this one came out, so you have to brush that with water again. And then we're gonna brush it lightly, or you can spray it with vegetable oil sprayer, just lightly, no need too much. So then we're gonna choose the mega zone, because this is 2 baskets, so we're gonna choose the mega zone, this one, and then we're gonna fry it or air fry it on 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. It's crunchy and healthier, and listen to this.